Menopause is a significant time of transition and change, both physically and emotionally. It often marks a shift in identity, roles, and priorities, prompting reflection on life, relationships, and personal meaning. During menopause, estrogen and progesterone levels fluctuate and gradually decline, which directly impacts the brain. Estrogen plays a key role in the production, release, and reuptake of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are essential for regulating mood, motivation, and pleasure. As these hormone levels shift, many women experience changes in emotional stability and overall mental well-being. Counseling helps with menopause by normalizing emotional changes, reducing self-blame, and providing practical tools to manage mood, anxiety, and stress. Menopause can be a new period of reflection and personal growth, offering an opportunity to reinvest in and reconnect with relationships. It encourages asking deeper questions about values and priorities, while developing practical tools for navigating change. Through this process, many individuals can cultivate a renewed sense of vitality and begin to feel more vibrant and aligned with themselves.